Namaskar. I greet on behalf of Secretary General Mr. Gurshad Singh Ji, who could not make it to the function because we are very busy with the preparation of Asian Youth Para Games. On behalf of our Chief Patron, Mr. Avinash Rai Khanna, also on behalf of every governing board member, every member of the Paralympic Committee fraternity, every coach, every athlete, and especially all the medal winners from Tokyo 2020. Our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Shatilal Jain, MD and CEO, Mr. Imran Amin Siddiqui, Executive Director, Mr. V.V. Shenoy, Executive Director, Mr. Vikas Kumar, GM Retail, Mr. Mahesh Kumar Bajaj, GM TMO CCO Marketing, Mr. Chandra Reddy, GM R&GR, and Mr. Balaji and Mr. Srinivasan, who have been continuously working with us in making this event a success for all of us. I take this opportunity to extend our gratitude for supporting and joining hands with Paralympic Committee of India. And today's celebration would not have been possible without the efforts of all the coaches and all the para-athletes. It was overwhelming to see my pictures and the memory of my medal. But I think what we are celebrating today are heroes of Tokyo 2020. Kudos to them, and I think kudos to Paralympic Committee of India, who has shifted its gears towards an athlete-centric program of growth. If Paralympic Committee of India had not translated their entire focus to athletes and making the athletes as their prime subject, I don't think Adiba Malik would have ever been nominated to become the president. And it gives me immense joy that I still can, along with the athletes, wear a tracksuit so affectionately designed by you. I come from an army background, but even in army, I think I have not seen, very honestly, so immaculately arranged function. Every minute, every logistic, every arrangement, even considering the physical disability of the guests that are here with you today from Paralympic Committee of India. You have taken such good care for all of us. So a big thank you on that. And like Bajaj sir said, and a huge thank you to Bajaj sir, because when I read the news of Pooja, I reached out. My mentor, Mr. Satyanarayana, he is here in the audience. When we were discussing that we really want to make it very, nice for the athletes. We want to give athletes something. We want to ensure that we don't miss out on anything for our dear athletes in want of sponsorship or money. And due to COVID and pandemic, even we were struggling because we were not able to reach out, we were not able to meet, we were not getting the kind of sponsorships that we should have got, because we all know the entire nation has gone through the pandemic and its impacts. And on one such discussion, when we were looking out for help, and Mr. Bajaj, and of course I would definitely remember Padmaja ma'am here, because they were so forthcoming and instantly they agreed. And it is really very, very nice to see that organization, a bank, a support came at a time when we had not won the 19 medals. So they believed in us, and they believed that the support, and I think by believing in us, this has become a true celebration of India at 75, because this is a new India, which is inclusive India, which believes in sports for all, which believes that Paralympic sport is a mainstream sport. और जब भी एक पैरा एथलीट एक मेडल जीतता है तो वो पूरे देश की सोच बदलता है, वो पूरे समाज को एक नई ऊर्जा देता है कि यस, एबिलिटी is there beyond disability, and you have helped us prove that. So once again, I will express my gratitude on behalf of everyone from Paralympic Committee of India, and for sure from these lovely athletes, all of them have not been able to make it. I thank you for preparing such lovely films and collecting the visuals. जो उस विजुअल में दिखे उनकी तरफ से भी, जो नहीं दिखे उनकी तरफ से भी मैं आप सबको धन्यवाद देती हूँ, और इसी के साथ अपनी आवाज़ को विराम देती हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू मैम. Token of thank you from all of our Paralympic Committee fraternity side. May I request Bajaj sir to please receive it, and also a special token for Mahesh Bajaj ji, because he was our first point of contact, and despite all shortage of time and everything in a hurried way, he really supported us and he took our message to Indian Bank, which was so beautifully received. So a special token of thanks from our side to Padmaja ma'am and our Bajaj sir. Can I request Bajaj sir to please receive it?